Under the leadership of Bubagra, 25 beneficiaries were provided with electric rickshaws through the Tipra Hum Project, an initiative of the TTAADC. The recipients expressed their sincere gratitude and appreciation to Bubagra for the livelihood support. The distribution ceremony was attended by key dignitaries, including Khoi Journal JDO Khagendra Barma and Journal Chairman Visuddha Barma. Addressing the gathering, JDO Khagendra Barma stated that under the leadership of Tipra Motha in the TTAADC and through the vision of Bubagra Project Bikramaning Barma, the Tipra Hum Project is creating sustainable self-employment opportunities for indigenous youth across the region.
Tipra Hum scheme the ADC election is sigang isuta rizaka abani yaglo tabok ken kwai junni te bibhinno jonno tabok rizaki to isuta moton gabani bisin klaija chini kwayo 25 jan beneficiary abano chini formally babe chini kwai junni under je klaimani boni je showroom ne ten chun distribute khaika tamni himba yang haksal jagani boraro tongo dui motor roni tongo ni na mongia ron tongo haksal boraro thangai junal nana ke belai tek tonga ni no chung lamara bo chayaba chung potitai boraro ron boni showroom ne ten chun distribute khai tongo tini chung beja phaiman jam ka chini kwai junni chini je diusai te chini sub junal ni dui motor te duski te yang mongia ni chini subject is chairman ro Rumah ke joto beneficiary ro chini je Maharashtra kok ni bising je kok semai tamuni ADC election is kang boriza ya kalau te bagi proses ke hoi thanai muni ni Maharashtra hamra bising chini khoi district bising chini khoi jon andaro 25 ta family ho chini Maharashtra ni bising chini ADC process ni bising dini bora auto banai thangai tongo abo kaisa chini Maharashtra ni hamari te chini Tipra ni khanchani kaisa Hano, joton coba laimani, amo kaisa hamari abani bisiti, tinanggo te bororo ni waiting list to ngobora manai thanai.
Bubagra peleka hamai mari bo tam himba, bo Chini bage asikai kuno hamjagai TTAADC ni hoite asena tom dikar kono sekang peleka hambai. Tebo jang khub excited ingja tam ni hingkai tabuk khorsa tom de bareng ne thang tong ang sengong bo. Ane ani songsa solne ni mota thang tong ang mo tom pi no ambar belai ke Bubagra na hamai.
Reporter Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.